The Railway Mania delves into the mid-19th century Railway Mania in the UK, a speculative bubble that captured investors' attention with promises of wealth and transformation. The article explores the origins, factors, and the impact of the bubble, drawing parallels to other historical and contemporary bubbles. It emphasizes the need for effective regulation to prevent such episodes and discusses the enduring legacies they leave behind. The story begins with the establishment of the world's first commercial passenger railway line between Liverpool and Manchester in 1830, which revolutionized transportation. The success of this railway line attracted investors and sparked interest in railway shares. However, the true fervor of Railway Mania emerged later, driven by factors like reduced interest rates and expanded investor participation. Similar to other bubbles in history, railway companies aggressively marketed their shares, using newspaper as a powerful medium. Inflated claims, optimistic projections, and questionable accounting practices fueled investor euphoria. Lack of accounting standards, independent auditing, further obscured the true financial situation. Notable figures like George Hudson engaged in fraudulent schemes, worsening the situation. The article draws parallels between the railway bubble and the subsequent speculative episodes, highlighting the recurring nature of financial deception and the importance of accounting standards and regulations. It also addresses the role of the British government, which approved numerous railway lines without a coherent strategy, resulting in an excessive proliferation of railway companies. While the bursting of the bubble caused economic hardship for some investors, it also left a lasting legacy. By 1850, the UK had a 6,000-mile railway network that fueled the Industrial Revolution and contributed to Britain's global economic dominance. This distinguishes the railway bubble from other bubbles that yielded little long-term progress. The article emphasizes the need for effective regulation and accounting standards to curb speculative excess and ensure sustained economic growth. In conclusion, the Railway Mania serves as a cautionary tale, highlighting the challenges of recognizing and preventing bubbles. It underscores the importance of regulation and accounting standards in curbing speculative behavior and fostering long-term economic progress.
Uncover the shocking truth behind market bubbles in this eye-opening video.